Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will guide you through how to create an online support case. From SolarEdge.com, select Login and Support. Scroll down and select your account type. Select Installer and enter in your credentials from the monitoring portal. In the SolarEdge Support Center, select My Support Cases. Next, select Open a New Case. This will open up a dialog screen where case details can be entered. Start by entering in the subject. Be detailed, and be sure to include the site name. Including the site name makes it easier for you to locate your case should you need to return to it later. In the description field, include as much detail as possible. The more detailed your description, the easier it will be for SolarEdge support technicians to help you troubleshoot. After the description has been entered, select Case Type, Category, Subcategory, and Severity. Next, include the monitoring site name. Make sure that this is the exact site name as seen on the monitoring portal. Enter error codes when applicable, and the exact serial number from the inverter on site. Additional serial numbers and attachments can be added if needed. Scroll down and select Open Case. Back in the support case list, the case is generated, as well as a case number. Clicking on the case will display all the information that was provided. If you do need to provide additional information, scroll down and select Add Comment. It's always a good idea to create a case in advance when going out to site. It can save valuable time looking up information while your techs are on site. If you don't receive an apply, always make sure to contact SolarEdge Support Center if the case is urgent. There's a status update on this case. A SolarEdge tech has replied, and additional information about the site issue has been provided, as well as troubleshooting tips in order to help avoid a possible truck roll. Thanks for joining us in the SolarEdge Learning Lab.